UNdunankulu wesizwe samaZulu iNkosi uMangosuthu Buthelezi utshela amalungu omndeni weNdlunkulu kaZulu ukuthi kumqoka ukutusa iqhaza likaJerome Ngwenya ekufikeleni umhlaba kaZulu ngaphansi kweNgonyama Trust. Kubaluleke ukuthi ngenxa yolwazi lwakhe lwezomthetho wakhona ukunqanda imizamo yomkhandlu wedolobha yaseThekwini yokukhokhisa intela labo abakhe emhlabeni weNgonyama Trust. Ingakho ke kudingeka umuntu onolwazi olufanele lwezomthetho kulesikhundla.
This is why we cannot afford to have someone at the helm who lacks legal expertise and experience, because it will place our people in jeopardy from many unscrupulous demands.
Kepha-ke uthi akamelene nesinqumo sesilo sokuqoka umuntu esimethembayo njengosihlalo webhodi lalesikhwama.
When I spoke to His Majesty the King, I emphasized that I was not questioning his authority or right to appoint whomever he wishes to appoint as his nominee. If His Majesty believes Mzimela is a fit and proper person to deal with such complex matters, it's entirely the King's prerogative to appoint him.
Kunalokho khala ngokuthi uqoka kweNkosi yasemazimeleni kulesikhundla kufana nokuyiphosa emphandweni weziNgonyama.
It is a simple fact that iNkosi Mzimela does not have a background on matters of the iNgonyama Trust. He is being thrown in the deep end with this without even so much as a handover, a decent, tidy handover.
Imbabazane yethulene incwadi yabhalwa iNkosi uMzimela izikhalela kongangezwe lakhe ukuthi ayikulungele ukungena ezicathulweni zikaNgwenya. Izindabeni zeSABC ngingonqubeko Nzimande.